everybody. So today we're going to be working on finding the mean when we are looking at a set of numbers, a data set. So when we're looking at the mean, I want you to tell me, what am I doing? Who remembers the steps to finding the mean or the average?
Yep, the only thing I can tell you.
All right, when you're looking for the mean or an average of a data set, you're going to start by adding all of the numbers together. And then you're going to dividing the sum by the total numbers there. So we're going to practice this today. And by the end of your lesson today, you're going to be able to tell me the directions or how you find the mean or the average of a number or a data set. So we're going to start by looking at number 1 on this page. So number 1, we have the numbers 9, 3, and 6. My first step is I'm going to add them all together. So 9 plus 3 plus 6 is 18. Then you're going to divide by the number of entries. How many data points do I have? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to divide 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So my mean or average for this first data set is 6. Now, this one is very simple. There are only 3 numbers. As you get into a larger data set, it can be a little bit more challenging. We're going to do some things later on during our live lessons that can be a little harder to do, so make sure that you really pay attention during what we're doing during the lessons, during those lives, okay, guys? All right, let's look at number 2. Number 2, we have 14, 12, 17, and 9. So the first step, as I threw my pen, the first step is to add all of those numbers together. So I want you to do that now. Go ahead and add those numbers together. 14 plus 12 plus 17 plus 9. Did you get it? Let's see. I always rewrite it because it's easier for me to process that way. 14, 12, 17, and 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Carry my 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. Your answer should have been 52. Now I need to divide. What am I going to divide by? What number am I going to divide by? Well, there are 4 data points in this data set. So I'm going to do 52 divided by 4. All right, 4 goes into 5 one time. 1 times 4 is 4, with the 1 left over. 4 goes into 12 3 times, with 0 left over. So my average or mean for this data set would be 13. Awesome. We're going to do a couple more together, and then you are going to do some on your own. So I want you to look right now at number 3. So number 3 is on here. We have the numbers 15, 8, 10, 5, and 7. I want you to find the mean. Do all steps that you need. What is the mean or average of this data set? Remember, we add and then divide. So let's add them. 15 plus 8 plus 10 plus 5 plus 7. All right, now I'm going to do it kind of easy. 5 plus 5 is 10, right? 8 plus 7 is 15, so I'm going to carry 2, because 10 plus 15 is 25. 2, 3, 4. My answer is 45. And then I'm going to divide by 5. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. Your answer should have been 9. Let's do one more. Let's find the mean or average of this number. Remember, you're doing all steps. Add them all together and then divide by the number of data points. What is that mean? All right, here we go. 19, 11, and 18. 9, 10, 18, carry my 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 48. I'm going to divide that by 3 because there are 3 data points. 48 divided by 3 is 16. Your mean for this data set would be 16. That's how you do it. All right, I want you today, you will have a little quiz that's going to actually have about 8 more questions on there for you to see if you can find the mean of those data sets. Make sure that you take your time. If you have questions, make sure that you ask. And finally, my last question for you, what are the steps to find a mean of a data set? I've already told you this. I'm going to say it one more time now. You need to add the data, divide by the number of data points. Add your data together, divide by the number of data points. So, if you wrote that down, you'd be fine, right? How do you find the mean of a data set?
Find some.
Have a great day, guys.